I think they can see. Oh, I got sand in my mouth.
Yeah, low sex, I need some wet shit. Net, I need some bacon.
And that was and that was a volleyball session featuring my old mother. Twins? No, I'm prettier. Hey guys, so just a little update. Yeah, that is like crazy moving. But the water here is so strong that it like literally lifted me up from my feet and I fell on my ass and I was in the water and I almost freaking drowned. I can't swim, but luckily I had my mother, because if I had my brother, you know, my little brother, right now I'm alone because my brother and my mom went to the water and my dad went to the bathroom and I'm here by myself. All the flies and everything. I gotta look out for everything here because a lot of stuff here. Gotta make sure this umbrella doesn't fly away because one almost did. Thank God we caught it. I don't know if my dad's coming back, but yeah. This was fun though, this trip. We're in the arcade.
Yeah.
I got ice cream. What did you get?
I got s'mores delight.
It's melting. We have left the beach. We left. I look dark. I am tanned. My hair is a mess.
Do I have a line, Linda?
What?
Can you see if I have a line? A tan line?
Yo, you about to get naked for YouTube? You about to give me
I'm
a
just
whole
showing this.
yellow thingy majiggy.
I'm just showing this.
Damn, let me see that.
Do I have a tan line?
I can see it. It goes from here and it stops here. This is where your shirt was, and this is mad dark.
I can kind of see it.
I can see it. Can't even see it. We got our food, and I'm eating a chicken sandwich. And look what happened to his French fries. They fell. Where's mom? You see mother?
That was so sad.
We're eating on the highway, cause why not? I'm a napkin. I got some fries and a Sprite. It's my go-to, a Sprite. Wow! Wow! I am blinded. It is beauty. Oh my god! Look at it! Look at it! I mean, come on! I mean, come on! The tinted windows and ugly, bro. And it's me in the window. We're home. didn't know, but I'll cover that. I'll put something there. Censor, he doesn't have a shirt. But, like, do you see this? Oh, Lord, Lord. Oh, my nose as well. It's so red. And, I mean, come on.
Oh, this is extra large. No,
Look at this. Like, what kind of suntan? It's uneven.
I think you misplaced one of our shirts with my shirt. This is extra large.
That is his. But I didn't give you that.
Well, I don't know who, but I have a shirt now. I have a shirt on now.
We're home. This was my outfit. It says fearless with short jeans. He wears regular shit. And we're, oh my god.
Yeah, because I'm a dude.
Years without doubt. But we're home and we're just gonna go shower. I gotta wash his hair again. I washed it 2 days ago, but I have to wash it again because, you know, even though I didn't put my head in the water because, like, corona, even though, like, I don't think it gives you corona, but I didn't want to wet my head.
Shut up.
You shut up. Tell me to shut up. But we're finally home. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna shower and I'm probably just gonna knock out my bed until the morning. So this is the vlog. This was the beach day vlog. You got something to say?
It was a good day.
It was. So where did we go? We went to the beach. And then after that, we spent like a good hour in the arcade. Well, we went to the beach and we spent like 4 hours there. And then we went to arcade for another hour. And then after the arcade,
We went to get like ice cream, milkshake.
Yeah, we went to like this ice cream place. And then after that, we left, right? We got food.
Wendy's.
And then we're here. We're here at home. We were gonna go to the aquarium, but we don't go to the aquarium.
We spent the entire day out.
Yeah, because we left the house. No,
we left at 9:20, and literally have not been home ever since.
we just got home.
Humongous.
I mean, but it's usually like that when we go to the beach. Like, we're out for so long. But yeah. I'm just gonna tell you guys, like, when I went inside that water, it literally took my whole body, lifted it, and swung me in. And I almost freaking drowned because I don't know how to swim. And him too, it happened to him. It swooped his ass into the water.
Yeah, but I wasn't.
Tap, 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 in, boom, boom, boom. Angelica! Angelica! Okay, so
Jen just says she doesn't take long to
Felix, don't put nothing. Hold on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. What the hell? I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of ours. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on the post notifications so you get verified every time I post a new video. Smash the like button and comment down below anything you guys would like to see from us. And if you guys like this video, and share this video with family, friends, pets, cousins, anybody. Thanks for watching.